You know, one thing, what is the most difficult thing to do in sales and why some people they don't get success in sales even after lot of training, lot of support from the company, lot of development program. In spite of that, why people don't get success, why they don't become successful even after a lot of technical training. I remember one time when I started my career, and after few months of my joining the company, I have been sent for the training program, and it was almost 21 days of training program, and I was very much there. I attended the training program, and almost 100% of the training program was only technical training program. Means I have been given a lot of training program for the product, the knowledge of the products. So I started gaining the knowledge about the product, the mechanism of action, the side effects, the special some features and benefits of the products. But in spite of the training program, I was not so successful. I was okay, averagely okay, but not very successful. The reason behind that was selling is not only the game of technical knowledge. The most important selling is selling to ourselves, controlling the mind. Because what happens, whatever thoughts gets generated in the mind, that becomes, the thought becomes feeling in the heart, and we take action, and then that will be resulted into the sales. So the most difficult part of selling is selling to myself. So I was not convinced with a lot of other stuff. I was finding it difficult, though I was very much thorough in product knowledge. Yes. So things went on like that. After few years, I went for the meditation course. I learned the course. I learned to meditate. I learned to do a lot of relaxation techniques, and I started somehow started feeling happy from inside, and then things started changing in the outer world, because there are two worlds, like there is a day and there is a night. There is a brighter world, there is a darker world. Same way, there are two type of world. There is the inner world and outer world. If you want to change the result in outer world, we need to change the inner world first. Yes, to start with inner world. If you change the inner world, the outer world means the result, what we are going to generate in outer world is going to change. So that is most important lesson I have learned over a period of time. And if you want to get the result, you need to change the inner world, starting from inner world, then learning the technical skill. All those skills are important for the product. But 80% of the success is internal. But people don't understand that. They try to learn this technique, this selling skill, that selling skill. But if they are really controlling their inner world, the outer world is going to be giving them the result of their choice. That is very much important. Yes, some more things I want to talk. People don't able to, they cannot sell the products properly because they lack courage. That is one thing. Even though they have everything, they lack courage. I was also lacking courage those days. I was lacking the courage to speak to the doctor about the prescription support. I was just detailing the product coming out, detailing the product coming out. Yes, I never had the selling skill, but I was lacking the courage also. That resulted in the average result. Yes, I was working extremely hard. I was meeting 22 doctors in a day, But in spite of that also, I was not getting the result for that I was working for. Yes. Then some more things, like I was believing that every prospect or every doctor will prescribe for me. That used to break my heart again and again. I had 250 doctors in my list, and most of them were non-prescribers. Whenever I used to go meet them, they will tell me, okay, I will prescribe for you. Believe me, friends, it never happens that every doctor is or every customer is going to give you support. That does not happen. That is going to end up breaking your own heart. Yes. So when we are in the sales, we need to take care of all the aspect of selling and take care of the internal one. When we are motivated, once we are motivated from inside, we can produce the result outside. Once we are happy from inside, we can produce the result outside. Once we are doing the daily routine of practicing the daily rituals in the proper way, like getting up in the morning, meditating, writing down the goals, all those things, then the outer world will give us a result. Yes. So thank you very much, friends. Take action and be grateful. Work on your inner world so that you can get the result in the outer world in the proper way.